Lesson 14, we're going to talk about the number line, negative numbers. So, a couple different types of numbers. We have positive numbers, we have negative numbers, and then we have zero. So positive numbers are the points or the numbers to the right of zero on a number line. Negative numbers are the points or numbers to the left of zero on a number line. Zero, however, is neither positive nor negative. It's kind of our middle ground. So positive to the right, negative to the left, and we have zero that's neither. So, for example, it says arrange these numbers in order from least to greatest. Remember, negative numbers are the smallest, zero, then positive numbers. In this case, we have one of each, so we have our negative 2. Okay, then we have our 0, and then we have 1. Going from least to greatest. Now, if we look at example 2, we're comparing two negative numbers. Just like positive numbers, the bigger number is greater. In this case, when we have negative numbers, the closer you are to 0, the bigger you are. Okay? So it's the complete opposite of positive. For positive numbers, the bigger the number, the bigger we get. For negative numbers, the bigger the number, the smaller we're going to get, or the farther away from 0 we're going to get that way. Okay? So if I have negative 3, negative 4, negative 3 is going to be bigger than negative 4. Okay? Because it's closest to 0. Okay? And negative 3, negative 4, just remember, it's opposite of how we look at positive numbers. The smaller the number, the bigger it is. Now, opposites are numbers that are the same distance from 0, but are on opposite sides of 0. So some examples, positive 1, negative 1. Positive 5, negative 5. Basically, it's the same number, one's positive, one's negative. Okay. Now, integers. Integers are all of our counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. They're opposites, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and so on, as well as 0. So basically, all of our whole numbers, positive, negative, and 0, are called integers. So now we got some problems here. It says subtract 5 from 2. So a couple ways to do this. One is to look at it on a number line. So if I have 2, then I'm going to subtract 5 from it. I'm going to go 5 this way. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well here's 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So my answer would be negative 3. The other way to do it is to take the big number minus the small number. 5 minus 2, I get 3. And then I just know that's going to be negative because I switch the numbers around. Okay. Either way you do it, if you do it this way, you just got to know if you're going to be a positive or a negative number. Okay. Example 4, arrange these numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay. Remember, start with negative numbers. Our negative numbers, they have a bigger number attached to it. So I have negative 2 is going to come first, then negative 1, 0, and 1. Just as we see it on the number line. Example 5, what number is 7 less than 3? If I have 3 here, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. I get negative 4. The other way, 7 minus. I flip them around, 7 minus 3 gets 4. I know it's going to be negative because I flipped them around. My answer is negative 4. Either way you do that, it should work out. Leads us to the practice set. Big practice set today. Go ahead, do all of them. A through L. We'll go through these in class. Make sure if you have questions, you bring in class. So go ahead and do them. We'll go through all of them in class so that we know what we're doing.